Okay, let's go back to our project. Okay, so this is our project, right? What we initially have, we have our homepage and everything, our category section, and our product page, and our shop by category section. This is our product by category section and everything. So we just have our homepage ready. So right, so the user also needs to see the product, right? So we will need a different products page to show our products in details. So right now, if I click on it, it just takes you to the home page. We do not want to do that. So let's go to our VS Code and start with our project. Okay. So this is our project, and you know the folder structure. We are using the pages router. We have our components folder, our layouts, and our library files we are going to add later. And this is our pages where all of our pages are. And then we have our styles folder. We have our all the components and everything, right? Okay. So if I go to our home page right now, so what we have here is we have our home slider component, our basic services, and this is the components to render our products divided by different sections. This is our featured product section, our latest products, our shop by category section, and also our product by category section that we saw in the UI. Okay, I think the text size is a bit small. Okay, so I think you can see it now. Okay, should I make it a little bit bigger? Okay, I think it's too big now. Okay, so okay, and if I let's go to the featured product section first. So this is our product section. We have our swiper slider, and this is our product card, right? So let's go to our product card. So inside our product card, we have our product. And if we click on the product, we have the link tag, and it is currently taking you to the home page. But we do not want to go to the home page. We want to go to our product section, product page. So for that, first of all, I'm going to create a product page. So let's create a file, a folder called product, and
Mohammed,
then yes,
can you increase the font size? Someone is asking.
I already did. Should I increase it more? Is this okay? I think it's too big now.
Yeah. So you can
It's okay
keep the
now.
previous one. You can keep the previous one.
This
Yep.
one. Okay.
I don't. Okay, Tahmina, you can confirm it on the chat. So I can see actually the both font size.
Yeah, I think previously
Tahmina.
it was like smaller. It was like this.
Okay, okay,
So I I
okay.
I
Yeah, then
enlarged it a
continue.
little bit. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so Tahmina said little more, please. So you have to increase it.
Okay, sure. All right.
Now it's good.
Okay. Okay, sure.
Okay, okay, continue.
So so okay, we have our product page where if we want to create a new route, we have to create a folder inside our pages folder. So this is our product page, and our product page will be dynamic, right? So we have our IDs for each product. So what we want to do is when we click on the product, I want to go to the product page dynamically. So to do that, what I'll do is if you want to create a dynamic route, you have to use this syntax. Let's say slug.js. So now this one will create a dynamic route. That means after product, whatever you write will go inside our Slug, and according to our Slug, a dynamic route will be rendered. So inside that, let's say create a React component, and let's name it product details. Okay. Now let's see if it actually works. So if I go to product and write something, Okay, it is working. It isn't giving me any errors or anything. Okay. Now what we have to do is we have to link our products, right? So let me go to our featured product section, our product card. Then in here, I have to take a template string if I want to pass the link as dynamic. So then I can say product slash, and it would be the product dot underscore ID. Okay, so we have a ID with each of the products that is coming from MongoDB. So I want to do that here too. I think we have another. Do we have another link? No, I don't think we have another link. Okay, now let's go back and check. Okay, so it is working. Our dynamic route is working. Now we just have to dynamically load our product details and everything. Okay.